Hello friends, I am Ilyas Ahmed. I want to explain the solution of illumination problem. How you will solve the illumination problem at different methods. How you will put the formula, how you will go and step by step to solve the problem easily. So here we will go one problem which deals with the illumination with a single source. Now what is the single source? The single source means single lamp. If you connect one lamp, so how much lamp that light gives, how much light that comes from the lamp to the floor, directly below the lamp and away from the lamp. So if the light gives direct below the lamp, how much intensity of the light you are getting, and after the light away from the light, how much intensity you are getting. So these are the two problem you will deal with this. Now we will go for the solution of the problem, that is illumination with a single source. The problem is like this: the illumination at a point on a working plane below the lamp is 100 lumen per meter square. The lamp gives 256 cp. Cp means candle power, that is intensity of the light, that is I, capital I. The lamp gives 256 cp uniformly on the horizontal plane. Now determine the height of the lamp and also illumination at a point on the surface 1.2 meter away from the source. The solution of the problem is like this. First you will go for the data given in the problem. Data given is number 1, luminous intensity of lamp I is equal to 256 cp. Second data given is illumination below the lamp, that is capital E, and it is given 100 lumen per meter square. Let the height of the lamp be h. So we have to calculate height. So we will take height of the lamp be h meter. As for the formula, or as we know, illumination E, capital E, is equal to intensity of the light divided by h square, that is the height of the lamp. Now put the value of E and I in this formula. You will get height is equal to 1.6 meter. H is equal to, you have got 1.6 meter. Now you see this is the source. So from the source to the surface of the ground is 1.6 meter. Now second, what the second case? Second case is 1.2 meter away from the source. Now from this source, how much intensity comes on the surface? That is 1.2 meter away from the source. Illumination away 1.2 meter from the lamp or source, that is this point, B point. This is the A point and this is the B point. So EB is equal to I by h square cos cube theta. Here you will notice 2 points. The formula, in the first formula, E is equal to I by h square, and in second formula you see I divided by h square, that gives cos cube theta. Here cos cube theta is not there. Why? Because this deals with directly below the source. Here cos cube theta is not there because this consider the source below, directly below the source. When you take directly below the source, you go for the formula E is equal to I by h square cos theta. Here cos theta is equal to 0 and cos 0 is 1, that is, so the cos 0 is 1, so here cos value is 1 I by h square. But here the 1.2 meter away from the source, so you have to put cos cube theta. So we know cos theta is equal to B by h. So by putting the B, h is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse formula is p square plus b square root over. By putting this formula, and data of B, P, and you will get 0.8 value. So cos cube theta is equal to 0.8 to the cube value. So I is equal to 256, h is given 1.6 meter, and cos cube theta, by solving this B by h, you will get 0.8 and you put this value, so 0.8 cube. Then you will, by solving this, you will get 51.2 lakhs. So the illumination here in this point away from the source, or 1.2 meter, that is 51.2 lakhs. This is the method how to solve the problem. So this solution, this method comes under the laws of illumination. So this is the laws of illumination. So laws of illumination, there are two laws of illumination. Number one, law of inverse square law, and second is Lambert's cosine law. For this problem, we will go for the formula number one, or the first law of the illumination, that is law of inverse square law. Law of inverse square law, the illumination, it states that the illumination of a surface is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the surface and the light source, provided that their distance between the surface and the source is sufficiently large so that source can be regarded as a point source. So what this law states, that if you take the illumination from the source, that source should be regarded as point source, and the distance between the surface and the light source is the formula given by the I by h square. So the first law explains E is equal to I by h square, that is directly below the lamp. If it go away from the source, intensity of the light will be E is equal to I by h square cos cube theta. So these are the two formula we are getting from the first law, which is implemented in this problem, and we solve the problem by using these two. And you see how we solve the problem easily by using the law of illumination, that is the first law, inverse square law. And hope you will understand, and hope you will like this video and you will benefit from this video. Thank you very much.